Hello guys, welcome to Rich Boy Tech. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to convert a website to PDF. You might have a message from a client or anybody that you want a PDF of your site. So the easiest way to do it is, first of all, go to your website that you want to convert to PDF. For example, we are converting this website Rich Boy Tech to PDFs. So all you need to do is go to Google and search for Go Full Page extension. This is a Google Play extension. I've already added it. That's why you are seeing remove for Chrome. So all you have to do is add it to your Chrome and go back to the website and click on the plugin. You will see. As you can see, this plugin, you can easily turn the website to PNG image or PDF. So you can download this as a photo or as a PDF. So this is the PDF file. So let's check another website like tesla.com. So you can easily still turn this website or any website of your choice to PDF. So let's turn this website to PDF. Click on the Go Full Page extension. You can see it's trying to capture the screen. So look at it. All you need to do is download this at PDF. When the page is downloaded, you can send it to anybody you want to send it to, whether WhatsApp or email or any means. So we are sending it through WhatsApp. So let's check. Send it as PDF. So we have sent the PDF file to our WhatsApp. So let's check on the other hand on mobile how it looks like. As you can see, voila, we now have the PDF file. So this is the easiest way to send the client a PDF file. Kindly like, share, and subscribe for more.